Guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanna do a quick review of this new purchase I did recently at eBay. I'll provide the link below. This is the RCA Voyager Pro with a built-in keyboard, and it's a quad-core Android 7, and you got a 16 gig memory. It's right here, and we'll do a quick unboxing. Oops. It's come with a little bit of instruction on how to charge it, and also operation and the Okay, comes with a charger, keyboard. Actually, look like one of those expensive 7-inch laptop that they sell on the internet for like about $900, right? Okay, let's put it on. Booting up. Small Android laptop. Responsiveness is quite fast. And it's a touchscreen, of course. It's no problem, they're quite fast as well. I loaded up with the different software, Facebook, Chrome, Firefox, Instagram, and other things. It's very responsive. I actually recommend it. For the price that I paid, it's actually pretty good. This RCA Voyager Pro. Check the link below if you guys wanna purchase it. I did recommend it before to my friends, so hope you like the quick unboxing and review. Please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell if you wanna see more videos. Thank you, and take care.